Hello guys, this is Rishabh and welcome to my YouTube channel. So while you are learning vocabularies, so you are facing a lot of problem to remember the vocabularies. You are forgetting 25% of the vocabularies. When you are reading and when you are memorizing the vocabularies, after 2 to 3 days you are forgetting all the vocabularies. This video is completely for you, because in this video I am going to tell you why vocabularies is important and some tips and exercise which will definitely help you to learn a lot of vocabularies in an easy and an efficient manner. So without any further delay, let us get started with my YouTube video. First of all, I am going to tell you why vocabularies is important while we are improving English or while we are learning English. The first and foremost reason why vocabularies is important, because when we watch some English movies or we watch some web series or we watch some YouTube videos, so in that advanced vocabularies are used. So when we watch that, we face a lot of problem while watching that, because without the knowledge of vocabularies we cannot watch the advanced English movies and web series or some YouTube videos. The first problem why the vocabularies is important. So let us get toward our second. So our second problem is that when we listen to the speeches of some of the ministers or some of the great leaders, so they give their speeches in English and they use some of the modern and advanced vocabularies while they speak. So here the problems comes. We are unable to get them 10 to 20% due to their advanced vocabularies. So the main important of vocabularies come here. And what is the third reason why vocabularies is important? So the third reason for the importance of vocabularies is when you are talking in front of 4 or 5 people, or when you are talking to one people only, and if you use a good and efficient vocabularies and you use the advanced vocabularies, it will create a good impact to the listeners. Like when you are in front of 4 people and you use a lot of vocabularies and advanced vocabularies, you will get a good reaction and also you will sound like a professional speaker. So this is the third point to become a professional speaker and get a good reaction and make your English advanced. So the questions come here, from where we can learn the vocabularies and how to remember the vocabularies till a long time period and how we can use that. So from where to learn vocabularies, I have already made the video on that. The 3 apps which will definitely help you to improve your vocabularies. Video link I have provided in the description box, so please go and check out it. So the second question comes that how we can remember the vocabularies for the long time. It is very difficult, like when we learn vocabularies today and after 2 or 3 days we forget the vocabularies, and 25% of the vocabularies we cannot remember. So here I am going to tell you some of the tips or some of the exercise which most of the speaker use to remember their vocabularies, and it will be very efficient for you. So the first and foremost tips to remember vocabularies is that teach the vocabularies. So what is this? How we can teach the vocabularies? As I have told you, take a notebook and write the vocabularies, 2 or 3 vocabularies daily. Practice 2, 3 or 5 vocabularies writing in the notebook with their meanings. And when you talk to somebody next time, so teach them vocabularies. Like when you talk to them in phone calls or when you talk to someone, so you can teach them vocabularies. How you will teach them? So tell them the vocabularies and their meaning. So teaching is the best part to remember anything, to remember any vocabularies, or if you want to learn anything. So teaching is the best part. So from next time when you talk to someone, please note down 2, 3 or 5 vocabularies daily, and when you talk to someone, please tell the meaning, please teach them vocabularies. It will be very efficient for both of them. It will be efficient for the listener who are listening your vocabularies, because they can also remember the vocabularies by listening, and you can also remember the vocabularies while teaching to them. Please don't forget this. From next time, practice to teach vocabularies to the listener. So let us get toward our second tips or second exercise. So our second exercise is very simple. So when you are writing vocabularies, like you have wrote 2, 3 or 5 vocabularies in your notebook. So when you are writing, so you are mugging it up, like you are mugging some vocabularies day by day. Like you have written the vocabulary savvy. So you write and memorize the vocabulary, savvy. So you memorize the vocabulary. So stop doing this if you want to learn vocabularies. don't memorize or mug up something when you are learning vocabularies. What thing you need to do if you don't need to memorize or mug up vocabularies? The thing you need to do is imagine the vocabulary. Like I have told you the word sabby. So the meaning of sabby is untidy, dirty. So you can imagine the words. You can imagine the sentence, you can make a word, you can make a sentence from that. Like, one of my friend is very sabby. Or today I have went to market and I have seen a person, he was very sabby. So from that you can remember the words, or you can remember the vocabularies for a long time, for a very, very long duration. So what you need to do is imagine the vocabularies and also make the sentences from the vocabulary just now, which I have give you an example. So start forming the sentences and start forming and imagine the sentences in your mind, so not to forget any vocabularies. So let us get to our third tips or third exercise to remember the vocabulary in a very efficient way. So as I have told you to write the vocabularies, two vocabularies or 5 vocabularies as per your capacity. So when you talk with someone, like when you talk in someone with phone call or something, or when you type something, or when you're writing something, so what you need to do that, take a small notebook and open and keep the notebook when you talk to someone. And when you talk to someone and use that vocabularies while talking, because once when you use the vocabularies, or once or twice when you have used that vocabulary, I'm giving you guarantee you will never forget that vocabulary, because you have used that vocabulary, and the things which you have used, you are not going to forget that. So what the thing you need to do when you are talking to someone, please open the notebook and tell the vocabularies, or when you are writing something, so write that vocabularies which you have written. It is one of the most important tips which will help you to remember the vocabularies for the long. Here are the 3 tips which are very, very beneficial for you. If you practice these all 3 tips which I have told you for 20 days or for 1 month, I am giving you guarantee you are going to learn a lot of vocabularies and you are going to become a professional speaker. You are going to sound like a good speaker and you can improve your vocabulary and you will not forget any of the vocabularies. So if you like my video, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, so go and follow me. So thank you for watching my video.